Hello guys, welcome back to another video. After releasing two open beta based on Android 11, OnePlus have started rolling out the stable update for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, which is Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. Right now it's a stage rollout, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. But if you guys want to update your device immediately, then files are available in the description below. You can download those files and then place it inside the internal storage of your device. As you can see, I've already placed the file and the size of the file is around 3 GB. Once you do that, you just need to go inside the settings, system update. You need to tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner and select local upgrade. I've already done the installation process. To finalize the installation process, let's reboot a device. And our device have been successfully updated to stable version of Oxygen OS 11. First, let's take a look at the software information by going inside the settings, about section, and here you can see this is my OnePlus 8, Android version is Android 11, Oxygen OS version is Oxygen OS 11. We still have the security patch of 1st September 2020. Basically, we have covered almost all the features what we have got on Oxygen OS 11 open betas. In this video, we'll talk about all the changelogs. With Android 11, there are lots of UI changes done. Most of the system apps have been optimized for one-hand usage, like a dialer app where you can easily access the keypad using one hand, and the same goes with your contacts app. You'll see a lot of gap on the top side to access the initial contacts. We have the latest version of messaging app. Talking about the launcher version on this Oxygen OS 11 is version 5.0, in which we have a new function in which you can switch between shelf and notification panel. So you can enable that from here. So now once you swipe down, you'll get the shelf instead of notification panel. For the notification panel, you need to swipe from the top of the device. Also, we have a new feature of screenshot, in which when you take a screenshot, you can long press the thumbnail, which will give you options to share the same screenshot on your social media platforms or through any sharing app. We have also received the new live wallpaper. So this is the new live wallpaper you can see on the home screen, and this also changes color as per the time of the day. Camera version on Oxygen OS 11 is 5.4.93, in which they have added few new functions, like you can use focus tracking in video recording. After that, another feature which have been added is whenever you take a photo, tapping on the gallery thumbnail, you can directly share that photo on your social media platforms. We have also got one new card application, and cloud services have been added, which was missing on Open Beta 2. Now let's talk about the changelogs. So these are the changelogs which are related to system, game space, ambient display, dark mode, zen mode and gallery. Talking about the system, as I said, we have the fresh new UI design with various optimizations. Then a brand new weather UI supports dynamic switch between sunrise and sunset. So yes, the weather application have also been updated, and this is the new weather application, in which UI also changes as per the weather conditions. And later they have optimized the stability of some third-party applications and improve user experience. Now talking about the second changelog, which is related to game space application. So here they have added few new features in the game space application. First one is they have added the gaming toolbox. Later they have added the quick reply function, and then they have added the mistouch prevention. So let's open up game space application, and all these features can be found here in the settings. Gaming tool option is here. If you slide down, you can also find the mistouch prevention feature. And this is the new gaming toolbox, from where you can directly access things like fanatic mode. Notification type can be changed from head up, text only, or completely block the notification. Then you have mistouch prevention, screen recorder. Towards the left hand side you can see the temperature of your device, and towards the right hand side you can see the battery percentage of your device. And to access this gaming tool, either you can swipe from the right or swipe from the left. If you have enabled mistouch prevention, that can also be helpful if you by mistakenly swipe the notification panel. I've made a dedicated video on this gaming tool. I'll link that video in the description below. You guys can check that out. Now talking about the next changelog, which is related to ambient display, in which they have added schedule option. Then they have also added a new insight clock style. After that, newly added 10 clock styles. So let's go and check the ambient display. So with related to ambient display, now we have also got always on display, in which you can schedule it, or else you can keep it always on throughout the day. Then inside the customization section, now we have a new insight clock style, which is this one. And it's a cool addition which gives you few details like how many times you have unlocked the device and for how long you have used your device. And then they have added 10 new clock styles on the Oxygen OS 11. And here we have the first look of always on display on OnePlus 8 series. Next changelog is related to dark mode, in which they say they have added the shortcut key in the quick setting panel. After that, supporting automatically turn on feature, and you can also customize the time range. So let's go and check this dark mode. Swiping down the notification panel, and here we have a toggle to enable dark mode. After that, you can also change your preferences from display settings under dark mode, and here you have options like manual, turn on automatically based on sunset or sunrise, and we also have a custom range option. And after that, you can also force applications which are not supported by dark mode or the dark theme. Next changelog is related to Zen mode, where they have added 5 new themes, which is ocean, space, grassland, and so on, including group feature in Zen mode. Now you can invite your friends and enable Zen mode together. So let's check out the new Zen mode, which can also be found inside your quick setting panel. Selecting it, time duration have also been increased, wherein max timing is now up to 120 minutes. And here we have these new 5 themes. And later, if you want to activate Zen mode with your friends, either you can create a group or you can join a custom room. Talking about the last changelog, which is related to gallery, which says supporting story functions automatically from weekly videos and photos. Optimize the loading speed of gallery, and image preview is faster. So basically here gallery app have been updated. Nothing new available with the gallery. Now we get these 3 sections. One is photos, collection, and explore. And if you scroll down, you can see there are no stories yet, because it requires minimum a week of time to create stories. So guys, this was a first look of Oxygen OS 11 stable version for OnePlus 8 series. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results. So here with Geekbench application, single core have scored 870 and multi-core have scored 3050. I was unable to do Antutu benchmark test because there's a server issue on APK Mirror. So unable to download the main file of Antutu benchmark. So guys, this was all about the stable version of Oxygen OS 11 for OnePlus 8 and 8 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.